Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to close or exit or quit a software or application in Windows laptops that is not closed by normal method. You can see here I'm opening my Edge browser, so I minimize that. Then there is multiple ways to close that. First one is you can simply click here to close. Okay, otherwise you can simply press Alt plus F4. Otherwise, you can also close like this. Move your cursor here, then click here to close. So this is the normal method, but also you can close in another method. It is opening by task manager. So simply right click on your taskbar, then select task manager. Then you can find that application here. In our case, that is Microsoft Edge. Click that, then right click, then select end task. So that will be closed. You can see here that application is closed. So in this way you can close any applications in Windows OS. And remember one thing, there is multiple applications which is based on the system support applications by Windows default. So do not close that kind of application. It will be freeze your computers. So that's guys. And also you can use this method for closing hanging softwares. Like some software cannot be closed, so they are hang in previous area. If we are opening multiple files, video files in a time in VLC, sometimes it will be get stuck. Then you cannot close by clicking here or using anything, but you can actually close by using uh, task manager. Select the applications, okay, then right click, then simply end task. So that's the method. That's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.